Hey, welcome to Swinging for Profits. Today is August 4th. We're going over a review of the trading today. Today we've seen the spiders continue going down. We were unable to take out the previous day's low. Volume very late on the day. We thought around 2 o'clock it looked like it was starting to nosedive. Only got down to a low of 208.80. It started to rebound back up, so rather than give back the profits to the market, we decided to cash out. We entered our position on Friday, 81 cents a contract. Let it go today, 121, a profit of 50% over 2.5, almost 3 days, let's call it. Same thing. Overnight for the ES, never was taken out. It traded lower throughout the day. Didn't really go anywhere with that. 280 levels proven to be holding up for now. As you can see, overnight trading here, it's up $1.50, not much. We got the jobs report out tomorrow, so I'm sure everybody's just been sitting back waiting to see what's going to happen. Depending, could drag it further down. Dow continues to look weak. Said it the other day. It's under the 200, 50's crossing, coming down. It's not looking good. It's been making continuous lows, lower highs, lower lows over the past 4 days. It looks like it's gonna continue going down. Look at the diamond. There's not much difference between the two. Same thing going on here. Curious to see where we're going to go. We're already back testing these levels again. I really see we could come back down to the lows made back over here. Ain't going to look pretty if that is what's going to happen. I'm sure that's going to start dragging everything else down. Nasdaq continues to outshine the others. It did make a lower low today. Made a lower high, did not make a lower low. Was able to rebound back up. You can see overnight trading, it's up a little bit, not much. Really surprised that it's held up as strong as it has. Looking at the Qs, once again, close but no cigar in the lows. 110.86 was the previous day. Today 110.93. Like we said, it's continuing to just really hold strong at this level. The big talk of the day, Apple. We said it yesterday, had some more downside momentum to it, and boy did it ever come through again with that today. Zoom out a little bit here. You can see there's a gap that needs to be filled here. High of 112.48. It sure looks like we're going to get that gap fill here. Hopefully this can consolidate a little bit here. Really hate to see this thing crash all the way down, fill this gap here so suddenly, but there's definitely enough bad news out there right now to make that happen. Bad jobs numbers coming up, definitely get the boat rocking a little bit more here. Russell's another interesting one out here. It's been holding strong, holding its own. It is down over the past few days. I said the other day, I think we're going to get a retest back down to these levels. But that one's holding up, all things considering, not as good as the Nasdaq, but pretty close to it. Look at the IWM. You take a look at the grand scheme of things here, and it's not looking too shabby at all. So we're going to continue to monitor everything, see where we can get back in here. Go for a long. Big day coming up tomorrow. We'll see where everything goes, but seeing Apple making fresh lows. Don't know what damage that's going to do, but we'll see. Good jobs numbers could turn everything right back around. Appreciate you watching. Have a good night.